Did you know that pollution affects our health? Let's find out more. Air pollution is a major concern. Let's see how it impacts our daily lives. Water pollution is harmful to our ecosystems. Let's explore its effects. Pollution affects wildlife too. Let's see how it disrupts their habitats. We can all contribute to pollution control. Let's take action together. Reducing waste is essential for pollution control. Let's learn some tips. Using renewable energy can help combat pollution. Let's explore the options. Education is key to pollution control. Let's spread awareness together. Government policies play a vital role in pollution control. Let's support positive change. Together, we can create a cleaner and healthier future. Let's take action now. Thank you for joining us in the fight against pollution. Together, we can make a positive impact.